English class, dear students. Today's topic is verb with as while learning. So let's learn what is verb. Verb shows an action, a state, or a condition. Examples: run, action, is, state, same condition. Number 1. Drink. Tina, she drinks milk at night. Sleep. Sona, they sleep early on weekdays. Eat. Khana khana. I eat an apple every morning. Next one is run. Dorna, he runs fast in the race. Walk. Chalna, we walk to school every day. And the next one is write. Likhna, I write my name on the paper. So, stand. Khara hona, the children stand in a line. Sit. Baithna, please sit on the chair. Read. Parna, she reads a storybook at night. Watch. Dekhna, I watch cartoons every day. Do you watch cartoons? Listen. Sunna, we listen to the teacher in class. Do you listen? Cook. Pakana, my mother cooks delicious food. Oh yeah. So now this is your turn. You have to make sentences of these words. Please write down the sentences on the comment box and share with me. So share, like and subscribe my channel. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.